Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on Talk Guy. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can create a survey using Google Forms. So very quickly, let's log in. So as you can see here, I've already made a bunch of surveys before on previous projects and schoolworks. So right now, what we want here is, so when you click, there are actually options here. You can create an RSVP. So there's already a bunch of templates that you can use. So there's an RSVP, contact information, party invite, so on and so forth. There's also for works here, event feedback. This is survey as well. You can also do customer feedback, work requests. So there's a lot already available. So if ever you're not quite knowledgeable on what to put, you can definitely use one of these templates as an option. But we're going to use a raw form for this. Now, if you want to use it for a survey, let's say here, if you want to create a survey, let's say for a YouTube channel, let's say appropriateness of the content, that's already there. And then let's say rate from 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest. So you can type in there, and then you can have your multiple questions, or you can have a linear scale, which is perfect for our question. So here, 1 to 5, and that's it. Next, you want to add another question, just click add here. And then let's say for this one, let's select rating right here, rating. You can also put this one, rate the audio quality of the video, with 5 being the highest. There we go. And then just add another one if you want. And then here, let's say your favorite, what was the best part of the video? Then here, let's say the introduction, the reveal, let's say it's a mysterious channel, and then the conclusion, just like that. And that's it. You can also add in some pictures, a video, and you can add sections here. Sections being section 2. It's a part 2 of the survey. You can also delete questions by clicking on this one. Delete question. You can also duplicate it, and so on and so forth. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button, and follow us for more videos just like this one. On the next video, we will be tackling how you can view responses on Google Forms. And that's it. Let's just rename this video before we end it. Thanks again, everyone, for watching this video. We'll see you again for another video only here on Telculp Guy.